Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily prevent other people from taking screenshots in your Telegram channel. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes. Also write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open the Telegram application on your phone. Next, you'll need to find your Telegram channel that you've created. And now at the top in the middle, click on the channel name. Then in the upper right-hand corner change. And now find the section called Content Type. And here you'll need to, at the very bottom, find the section that's called Limit Content Saving. And now you need to activate it. So friends, this way you will be able to limit the saving of your content. That is, users who are members of your Telegram channel will not be able to copy forward and also take screenshots of this Telegram channel. After that, don't forget to click Ready to save everything. And after all this, I want to tell you that unfortunately, this method is not the most reliable, because even if a person does not make a screenshot on his phone, they can use their second phone or someone else's phone to just take a picture of the screen of your Telegram channel. So you can never, unfortunately, protect yourself 100%. It's already better than nothing, friends. I really hope this video was helpful for you. You saw how you can disallow screenshots in your Telegram channel. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.